Hi everyone, today I'm cooking sardines, and I'm cooking in a very simple way. It's a village style, so let me start just putting by like this. All the fish in it's already clean and washed, and I'm going to add some garlic, just slightly crushed, and onion, salt, bit of MSG, turmeric powder, water. Now I just need to boil this. I'll bring this to boil. I'll add some ingredients later after when it's almost done. Check. You might think that it looks weird. I didn't add any oil, but this is quite tasty, so we should try it out. So it needs more time to be cooked. Let me add some Sichuan pepper. This much I'm adding. It's almost done. I'm going to add the coriander. So guys, this is how it looks now. This is almost cooked. It's all already cooked, but just need the gravy need to dry up a little bit. Just 5 minutes and it's all cooked. So this is all cooked now, ready to eat. So guys, this is all done. See, this is how it looks. Looks delicious. It's gonna taste very good. This is for my dinner tonight. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please give me a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.